fish, and there is not smoky. There is no smoke coming out from the oven. It's really, really good. So I always put my oven at 190, between 180 and 200, sorry, 180 and 200. So that is how I usually put my own. I put on my oven. So the next thing you add, when you are doing that, you need to start applying now those ingredients on the fish, because this is what gives now the fish that taste. You see that junction that you put in that fish, it really helps the fish to taste so well. So you apply it inside every part of the fish, the head, the skin, and all the like. You need to do that. Then once you are done with it, you now put it in your oven. What I'll advise is that once you have applied it like that, as you put it in your oven, make sure from time to time you are checking your oven. From time to time, make sure you're checking your oven. You open the oven, you apply these spices again on top of the fish. You apply it, then it will still be entering inside. So that is what you need. That is just all what you need for this roasted fish. It's very easy and simple for you. You just need to know how to put all these ingredients together. You boil them, then you put your oil, and that is all. You see my oven was already hot, so that's all you need. If you find this video so good and so important, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends, and turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So thank you. If you have been watching this video up to this morning, I say thank you so much, and I love you all. If you're a new subscriber, thank you and welcome. Bye.